Sarah. So go over there and tell me what I'm getting.
Well, you're a real tough cookie with a long history of breaking little hearts like the one in me. Before I put another notch in my lipstick case,